How to fix Spotify is offline on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Spotify is offline on Android phone. First open Spotify and then just click this icon here in top corner, click on it, and here we'll find offline. You will find it like that. Now all you need to do just click on it, disable it, and then go back and try again, and your problem must be fixed. And if that doesn't fix your problem, go to settings and then apps and apps again, and go to Spotify. Now just go to data usage, and here enable all of those here: background data, Wi-Fi and mobile data, and that's it. Your problem will be fixed. Just restart your phone and try again. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.